Today we're making Mongolian ground beef. Spicy, quick, and incredibly delicious. Look at that glaze. The secret to the sauce is coming right up. First, heat some oil in a wok and sear the ground beef until browned. While the meat is browning, chop the green onions into large pieces for the perfect bite. Keep tossing the ground beef until it's nice and crumbly. Are you team lots of garlic or team take it easy? Chop the white parts of the onions finely to add them later. Ginger is a must. Slice it first, then mince it finely to release the maximum aroma. Green and light bell peppers provide a nice contrast. Just slice them into thin strips. Clean the mushrooms and quarter them into bite-sized pieces. Garlic hack, shake the garlic in a jar, and it will be super easy to peel. Give it a try. Smash the garlic first, then mince it almost into a paste for the ultimate flavor punch. The meat is done. Transfer it to a baking dish so the veggies have room to fry and don't stew in the juices. For the sauce, mix some chicken broth and light soy sauce. I'll put the exact measurements in the description box below. Add dark soy sauce and white vinegar. Add oyster sauce and molasses. Stir in cornstarch and pepper. If you like these recipes, leave a quick like. More oil in the wok, and briefly saute the finely chopped onions, ginger, and garlic for some wok action. Now add the mushrooms and sear them quickly over high heat. Finally, toss in the bell pepper strips and stir-fry everything quickly over high heat until crisp tender. Deglaze with the sauce mixture and let it come to a simmer until the cornstarch thickens the sauce perfectly. Put the meat back into the wok and mix everything well. Serve over white rice and garnish with fresh onion rings. Enjoy!